Welcome to Enhancing Self-Esteem course. In the first chapter, Introduction to Self-Esteem, let us discuss what is self-esteem, why it is important, how it is useful, and what is the impact. What is self-esteem? In psychology, the term self-esteem is used to explain a person's overall sense of self-worth. Self-esteem is an individual's subjective evaluation of their own worth. We can say the individual value. In other words, how much you be thankful for and be fond of yourself is your self-esteem. Self-esteem is the opinion we have of ourselves. When we have healthy self-esteem, we tend to feel positive about ourselves and life in general. Now let us discuss why self-esteem is important. Self-esteem means feeling good about yourself. People with self-esteem feel liked and accepted. They are proud of what they do and they believe in themselves. Self-esteem is repeatedly considered as personality characteristic, which means that it tends to be steady and continuing and influencing our life. Self-esteem serves as a motivational function by making it more or less likely that people will take care of themselves and explore their full potential. Self-esteem includes self-beliefs as well as emotional states such as victory, depression, failure, pride and shame, etc. Self-esteem is very important because it heavily influences individuals' choices and decisions. It strongly influences our life, how we think, how we feel, and how we behave. Self-esteem is the basis of your psychological health. Self-respect is about determining and building up who you really are and structure up your own character. So, self-esteem is your outlook of yourself and your abilities. To empower the basic life skill, self-awareness skill, it is necessary to understand and absorb self-respect. Self-esteem is the foundation of enhancing self-awareness skill. Let us discuss now what is the impact of self-esteem in day-to-day life, in structuring the character for lifetime, in drafting the life accountability and peaceful living. It is having a greater impact on our life. Self-esteem is your opinion about yourself. Learn how to improve your self-esteem by challenging negative thoughts and taking positive action to look after yourself. So, enhancing your self-esteem is very essential. People of excellent character have genuine self-respect and do not stand poor treatment from others. When you respect yourself, you know your personal limits and you enforce these limits when someone infringes on them. Your self-respect is basis of your psychological health. Self-respect is about determining and building up who you really are and structure up your own character. Only people with strong character can stand alone in the crowd for the sake of values and principles. Nowadays, individuals let go their individuality to have comfort zone and to get acceptance of the group or team members. You will exhibit strong character with the willingness to accept accountability for your own life, and this will make everyone else take a note of what you are doing and how you are and admire your courage.